Mobile service coming straight to the house, and it's a rear trunk lid harness recall. He's going to check it out and fix our baby all up, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Get it organized.
So how do you get in? Do you have to meet people? Have to meet you? Or
No. So depending on how you want it done, a lot of people will actually have us come work on a car when they're not even there.
oh,
And using an existing service ticket, we can actually use a program to access the vehicle. And when that's happening, you can actually see it all happening through the app in the service program. So it's not like somebody could just come and roll up and get in your car without you knowing.
yeah, I'm sure people have safety concerns, right?
Yeah, so they're very, very adamant about security. They actually have done stuff in the past that sometimes makes the job a little bit harder, but accommodates better security.
Yeah, you don't have to take a day off. If you're at work, it comes to your workplace. So he's replacing this part because of the bending. They found it could have a flaw. We haven't had any issues yet, but better safe than sorry, right?
Yes.
So this is great. He's going to fix me all up, and I'm just loving it. This is a great service. You can thank Elon.
It has this APTIV part.
This is the first test, so you can see the tail light. You just replaced that one, and it's winking. Joe, he's all done, and he tested it out.
Yep, everything's working.
And everything's working, and baby's all fixed. We're thrilled. And you got to get yourself Tesla mobile service. Very convenient. It's the first time I tried it, and I am fully satisfied. I didn't have to take a day off from work. That's so awesome. Follow me on YouTube with our QR code, and you can get a freebie with our scan Tesla referral. So if you're interested, the market's hot for Tesla, and they got all kinds of promos and tax breaks back. So ask me, I love it. I never went back. I had it since 2019, been across the country and back, and no long range anxiety. Thanks for stopping by, and come see Tesla mobile service.